Hello, good morning. Now we continue our Oedipus. You take line number 700. That line we stopped in the previous class. Creon ended, and Creon was in a heated discussion with Oedipus. Though chorus leader takes a role as a mediator, they cannot control their rage and angry. Oedipus telling that you are the conspirator behind Tiresias to dethrone me. And Creon says, I am not in that type of blood. I am a different person. I cannot do like that. I am ready to go away from this country to live somewhere. I don't want to be a slave in this country. Creon continues, no, not if you think this through. Yes, I do. First consider this in your view. Would anyone prefer to have to cope with fear rather than live in peace? Creon says, I am getting older and older. I don't want to live in a very chaotic situation. I want some peace in my life. I don't want to dethrone you and to become a king in this such a bad country now, feeling in a chaotic situation. I want to lead a life of peacefulness. Carefree and safe, his powers were the same, for one have no natural desire to be a king. If some people have a natural desire to be a king, I was on the throne of the king, where now you sit, that same chair I sat on. But I could really understood what was the real feeling of a king. So, need not to worry that I do something against you, and I don't want to be a king in this country. Preference to be a royal acts the same is true of any other man whose understanding grasps things properly. For now, I get everything I want from you. Whatever things I want to take, whatever things I want to eat, whatever convenience that I should get, nowadays I get from you, because you are my brother-in-law and your wife is my sister. So I have everything in my hand. Then why should I take much responsibility on my head and become a king? I don't want. Then why should I take you revenge on you? Why should I conspire against you to dethrone? Since I get all the convenience and the comforts in the country, then I don't ultimately say I don't want to be the king. Okay? For now I get everything without fear. If I were king myself, I would be doing many things against my will. Look here, this is the condition of all the leaders of the country. What Creon says, if I am the king, I will have to do something against my will. Why? Suppose a leader, suppose an officer, suppose an IAS officer will be on the seat, but will have to do something against his conscience. So I don't want to put my real soul into puzzle. I don't want to be a king. If I want to be a king, I could have. If I want, I will become, but it will be against my conscience. Sometime I will have to do some very, very bad execution of law without the consent of my soul. I would be doing many things against my will, so how can being a king be sweeter to me, the royal power without anxiety? I am not a mistake in my mind. I want things which bring no benefits, underline no benefits. What does it mean? If I conspire against you to get your seat, I don't want such comforts. I don't want such a position. I don't want such a convenience. No benefit for me. Then why should I conspire against you? What is the benefits? Now I greet all men. They all welcome me. Nowadays, when I greet all the public, they reply to me. But when I become a king, nobody would talk to me. I will be isolated and neglected. Nobody would love me. So I don't want to be a king. I don't want its a position. I want now a greet all men, all people reply to me. Those who wish to get something from me now flatter me, since I am in one who brings success in. What do they want? So why would I give up such a benefits or something else? A mind that is wise will not turn to a mind that is wise will not turn treacherous. Underline, my mind is very wise, and I don't want to be a treacherous person. I don't want to be a traitor. I don't want to cheat you, and better you leave me. I will go somewhere and leave myself. I don't want to be I don't want to be your slave in this country. A mind that is wise will not turn treacherous. It is not my nature to love such policies. Underline, policies means such a policy, such a type of people. I don't want to be in a hypocrite in the way that I sit on the throne and justice wanted. I should, sometime I will be forced to show injustice. So real justice I cannot show to the public. When I become a king, so such policies and the rule of the country, constitution of the country, I don't mind. I want to lead a life of simple man. All right. Let me leave. So I don't want to such policies. If another man pursued such things, I do not work with him. I could not bear to. If you want proof of this, then go to Delphi. If you want to know about something about me, what I tell you is not really adjustable. You go to Delphi Oracle, then ask about me. Delphi Oracle would say what is the real truth about me. Then go to Delphi Prophet, I brought back to you exactly what was said at the point. If you discover I have planned something, and in such a case, once you go to Delphi Oracle and different prophets, then you get a proof that I turned against you, then tell me, I will do anything for you. I am not such a person. I don't want your kingly palace. I don't want your comforts and convenience. I am a simple man. I will go somewhere. Ask the prophet if they back to you. If you discover anything that I have planned against you, I have conspired with the Tyrus against you, then arrest me, have me put to death. Underline. If you get any evidence after asking the prophet or Delphi oracles, then you do one thing, arrest me, then put me exile or punish me. Just not your authority, but mine as well. Double judgment. Do not condemn me and approved charge is not fair to judge these things for guesswork. Don't go behind the guesswork. You show me evidence that I conspired against you. In assume bad men are good and good men, it gets to assume bad men are good and good men bad. In my view, to throw away a noble friend is like a man who parts with his own life. Anyway, I was starting to love you. Not only the king of our country, but you are the brother-in-law to me, and you are the husband of my sister. And sometime if you exile me from the country, I will lose a noble friend. That will be something sorrow for me, something sad for me. Being most dear because I should part your life. Most dear to him, give to some time, then you will see clearly, since only time can full validate a man who is true. A bad man is exposed yesterday. Chorus leader again appearing. A man concerned about being killed, my lord, he has spoken eloquently. Those who are unreliable give a rash advice. Chorus now in between the mediator. Chorus says, now he speaks plain truth, my Lord. You just hear. He has not done anything against you. Oedipus, if some conspirator move against me in secret with speed, I must be quicker. These are the all hypocrisies. Some conspirators would say when they in front of us would talk plainly to make my counter plans. If I come to know such conspirators against me, I should plan some counter action very soon. Otherwise, they will kill me and take my throne and queen. If I just rest and wait for him to act, then he will succeed in what he want to do. I will be finished. Creon, what do you want? Okay, tell me frankly, my Lord, what do you want? You want to exile me? You want to send me from your country? Exile me from here? Oedipus, no, I want you to die. I want to kill you, not to exile you. You go somewhere and die. Just run off so I cannot demonstrate what envy means. I don't want to see you here. If you die, that will be good for me. I want to see your death. Oedipus, no, you are determined not to change your mind. Listen to me. Even you are determined, prejudiced against me. Again, you just listen to me what I say. You will not convince me, for there is no way that I can trust you. Whatever things you said, I cannot trust you because you are a cheat. Creon, I can see that you have become unbalanced. Creon says, somewhat some problem. Your head has become in somewhere different way. You are unbalanced means what? You have become mad. To think that I am a cheat, you have become a mad. Because some people are there like, once they get power and money, they will become unbalanced. I am sane enough to define my interest. Don't talk. You are talking. You are crossing the limit. I am your king. Don't call me mad. You should be protecting mine as well, but you are treacherous man. It is my nature. What if you are wrong? I have to govern. Oedipus telling, whatever you talk to me, adjustable, but mind you, I am the king. I have to govern the country. All people say you are against me. Creon, not if you do is badly. Oh, Thebes, my city. I have Creon telling, if you are protecting your country, I have also right to protect, because this is my hereditary property. My father was the ruler here, and my sister was given to Laius. And I have also right as a human being, hereditary, prince and hereditary brother to Jocasta. I have also power to live in this country. It is my birthright. I have some rights, Thebes, as well as it is not yours alone. Underline. Don't think that it is not your country. You have become a king out of our kindness, out of our compassion, that you became the king. I have some rights. To palace doors now open. Chorus leader, me lord, send end to this, please. I told you, no, chorus leader has the role of a referee. Oedipus on the one hand, Creon is in the other hand. He whistles, stop. Who stop like that? It is a referee in a football match. Now, my lord, end to this. You end this quarrel. I see the queen of our country, Jocasta, now coming from the palace. Now she is coming from the palace. Jocasta is coming just in time with her whole retinue. Assistants means retinue, courtiers from the behind. So many other ladies. That is in the traditional, all palaces, queens will be supported by so many courtiers. Some courtiers are behind. Now she is coming from the palace. With her assistance, you should bring the quarrel to close. And also, you please, with her help, you try to close your quarrel. You just put an end to your quarrel. She is coming. She is, totally confused. What a bloody noise and what violent noise is going there in the palace. Now she is coming. Jocasta for the first time in the palace appearing. Jocasta, you foolish man, why are you arguing in such a silly way? What is the matter going on here, my darling? Jocasta calling son husband, calling my darling. What is the problem going on here? With our land too sick, you know, our country is very sick. So many people die. Infants in the womb of mother die. So many people, unknown diseases coming. Now you are making lot of noise in the palace. You are shouting. What is the problem? Let me know. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed? My Creon, you are brother to me. Why you are talking so loud voice? What is the problem? Ashamed of you to start a private fight? You, my darling Oedipus, go in the house. Oh my dear darling, you take lunch and take rest. Please go to the bedroom. You go to the house, and you, my brother Creon, please return to your house. You return to your room. There will be a room for you because you are also here, born to rule. So you go to your room. Oedipus, my darling, you please go to your bedroom. Why blow up in a trivial matter into something huge? You are talking, as far as I am concerned, a small matter. And this small matter you are making like a mountain spirit. Why should you make it huge? This is a silly matter you just discard. Creon's sister, your husband Oedipus. Oh, sister, you listen to me. Your present husband Oedipus intends to punish me. He wants to punish me. One of the dreadful ways. He has two ways to punish me. What is the reason? I will be giving you later. But he wants to punish me in two ways. One way, banish me from my father's country. Underline. You are the queen here. Oedipus is my brother-in-law. This is my father's country. From this father's country, he wants to banish me. He wants to make me go in exile. Is it correct? Or arrest me, then have me killed. He wanted to kill me after arresting. These are the two ways to punish me. What mistake I did do? What mistake did I do? You ask. Oedipus, that is right. I want to do that. Lady, I caught him committing a treason. Underline treason. Lady, my queen, don't intervene in this matter because your brother, my brother-in-law, has committed a treason. Treason means a sin against the country. Treason, conspire against my royal authority. Creon, let me prosper, but die a man accursed. Let me die man accursed. If I have done what I accuse me of, actually I have done nothing. But you people give me allegation like that. It is better to die than to be a man who is alright sinning against the king. Jocasta, my darling Oedipus, for the sake of God, trust him in this. Underline, trust him. Now Queen recommends Oedipus, please trust my brother, your brother-in-law. He won't do it. He will never do it. That I am sure. You trust him. Respect that oath he made before all heaven. Do it for the sake and for those around you. Queen reminding Oedipus during the time of your enthrallment. You have been given the power of a king. The time you took oath to be a king, that time our Creon was there to give everything, surrender to God, to bestow on you to be the best king. That you remember? Chorus, I beg you, me Lord, consent to this, agree with her, Oedipus. What is it then you are asking me to do? pay Creon due respect. Then chorus telling, you just give him respect. At least you are brother-in-law. No? He is your wife's brother. No? Give somewhat respect. He has not been foolish in the past. Now that oath he sworn his power. Oedipus, are you aware just what you are asking? Chorus, I understand. Oedipus, then tell me exactly what you are saying. Chorus leader, you should not accuse a friend of yours, thus dishonor him with a mere story which may not be true. What he saw not, therefore could be subject to curse. Oedipus, by this point you should clearly understand when you request this, what you are doing, seek to exile me from Thebes or kill me. Chorus leader, no, by scared Helios, his sun god, the god stands preeminent before the rest. May I die the most miserable death abundantly God sent by the friends, if I ever harbored such a thought, but the destruction of our land weighs down troubled heart with me. So does this, if you throw a new problems, one which have so long for affecting us. Oedipus, let him go. As you like, as you are preferring to talk like this, let him go somewhere. But even though it is clear I must be killed and sent from here in exile, forced out the disgrace, I have been moved to act compassionately by what you said, but Creon's words. But if he stays here, he will be hateful to me. The thing that I can save him from punishment. If he decides, let him go away. Let him go away from my kingdom. Otherwise, I will be hanging on him, thinking about him another day, or directly or indirectly, he will be against me. Creon, you are obstinate, obviously unhappy to concede. When you lose your temper, you go too far. But men like that find me most difficult to tolerate themselves. In that there is justice. Anyway, my lord, I would say, you think and rethink when you lose your temper. That time you think, what mistake did I do against you? Why not go, just leave me alone, Oedipus. You don't exaggerate things, you please go away from me. Creon, I will leave, I will go. Since I see you do not understand me, these men here know I am a reasonable man. Underline, reasonable man. If you tell me, otherwise I decided myself, I will go. But be careful. The public, the people of this country, Thebes, know me who I am. Know me why reasonable I am. Know me who Creon was, and know me the real wisdom what I kept for them. So you are not the man to judge my character. Exit Creon away from the palace. Leave Oedipus and Jocasta, the chorus singing. Chorus leader, lady, will you escort our king inside? Chorus leader asking, now Creon left. Please take our Oedipus, please take our king to your bedroom. Lady, will you escort him to king inside? Jocasta, yes. Once I learned what happened here. Chorus leader, they talked and their words give rise to uninformed suspicions. What really happened here? You just explain. Chorus telling, they argued and supplied some undesirable words. That is all. Jocasta, from both of them, yes, my lord. Jocasta, what cause with our country already in distress? Both of them know the real condition of our country. We are facing a lot of problems. It is enough. It seems to me enough to leave things they are. Oedipus, now do you see the point you have reached thanks to your noble wish to dull my firmer purpose? Chorus, my lord, I have declared more than once, so you must know I would have been quite mad if I abandoned you. When this land is cherished, Thebes was in great trouble. My lord, everybody including Crayon, all the people, Jocasta, me, Chorus, all people know that you really saved our country. Set it right again in the harsh times which now consume should prove the testy guide. Jocasta, by all the gods, my king, let me know why in this present crisis now feel such a unremitting rage. My lord, you tell me what really happened, what made you very angry. You tell me, Jocasta asking Oedipus. Oedipus, to you I will speak, lady, since I respect you more than I do these men. Okay, don't worry, Oedipus telling the queen, I will come and talk to you privately what really happened. It is Crayon's fault, underline, it is Crayon's fault, not my fault. I am the king. I should rule the government, I should rule the public. This kingdom is mine. Then he has done injustice to me. He conspired against me. Underline, he conspired against me. Then we will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.